The jokey bore brushes are ideal for removing strong burrs on tough materials. The trimming consists of a triangular piano wire that has been specially twisted. This ensures that the brushes adapt well to the bores and still remove burrs effectively. The brushes are available in 3 variants: wire, oval for easily accessible transverse holes, wire, crossed for transverse holes and in-face processing in addition to non-concentric holes, and wire, knotted for transverse holes at the bottom of the blind hole and very heavy burrs. With this selection, you will always find the right tool for the respective requirement. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us or visit our shop.